In this video, we will learn how to make a great slide in PowerPoint. So, let's start the video. Click on right button, click on picture or texture field, go to file, select and insert it. Go back to insert, click on shape, select rectangle, drag it like this. Shape outline, make it no outline. Go to shape field, select color and increase transparency like this. Go back to insert, click on text box, write beautiful here. Select and change the font, make it bold. Also increase font size, center your content, change the font color. Go to effect, go to shadow, select this shadow from preset. Go to format, then align center. Go back to insert, click on shape, select rounded rectangle, drag it like this. Drag the yellow dot to right side. Then align center. Go to shape field, select color and increase transparency. Shape outline, make it no outline. Click on right button, select edit text, write business slide presentation here. Select and change the font. Also increase the font size. Whatever PPT you are creating, highlight information here. Select and center your content. Increase size. Select this, press Ctrl Shift to duplicate. Write 1. Decrease shape size like this. Make 2 duplicates using press Ctrl Shift. Now let's go to full screen. So, look how cool your slide looks. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.